Hello, it's Cam from Stafford Land Rover showing you today this approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport HSE finished in grey. This 2024 model comes with a 2-litre D200 engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The front matrix LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night. And this car stands on 20-inch 5-split spoke diamond toned with gloss mid-silver contrasting alloy wheels. This Discovery Sport features around 840 litres of usable boot space capacity, allowing room for larger luggage items and even a pushchair. There's an adjustable parcel shelf which can also be removed to make room for the third row of seats, which can be folded up for excess passengers. Stepping into the back of the car, we will find the light oyster and ebony Windsor leather seats with the light oyster stitching. There are ISOFIX points located on these seats as well, and there is a fold-down armrest which will reveal a storage tray as well as 2 exposed cup holders. Backseat passengers can also utilise their own climate control vent with 2 USB-C ports and a 12-volt socket. Making our way up front, we see the continuation of the light oyster and ebony interior with the highlighting accents on the dash and door sills. The seats are the same as in the back, this time with additional side support for extra comfort, and they are electronically operated with lumbar support. Here's a closer look at the 3-spoke multifunctional leather-wrapped steering wheel, which has controls on the left for the virtual cockpit and voice control, and on the right for the cruise control system and the heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit itself has different display layout options to best suit driver preference, including 1 and 2 dial, as well as map and media options. And speaking of map, the main touchscreen infotainment system does include satellite navigation with useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations. We can use radio with FM and DAB, and connect to Bluetooth to allow for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated and ventilated seats are found here as well, with 3-way power to best suit the current weather conditions. And by clicking the camera icon in the bottom left, we can bring up the rear view parking camera as well as sensors to help manoeuvre this larger vehicle. Below that is 2 more USB-C ports as well as a storage tray for your phone and a fold-up pocket. Behind the centre console are 2 exposed cup holders, and the armrest can be lifted up to reveal additional storage inside. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport HSE. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.